I made 236% ROI on a $27 product. In this video, I'm gonna break it all down, no secrets, step by step. Let me show you all the numbers. Let's do it. For the best advice on Facebook ads, sales funnels, and all things online marketing, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and make sure to click that notification bell so that you can get notified every Tuesday when I have a new video. Just so that you know that these numbers are actually legit, let me show you my ads manager. This is a screenshot of my ads manager of when I actually was running the ads in December of 2020 so that you can actually know how much I spent and how much I made back. So a little bit of a backstory before we get into all of the numbers, and I want to give you some disclaimers here before we get into all of that as well. So back in December of 2020, I actually already had my $27 Facebook ads course. I had a little bit of a funnel connected to it where I had some upsells, but I wasn't really pushing it too much and I didn't have any ads running to it. But I was like, you know what? My clients keep coming to me about this type of funnel and keep wanting to run ads to this. Let me do it for myself so that I can make sure that when I am running these ads for my clients, that I can actually give them the best recommendations on the type of products, on the type of ad strategy that they need to do. So that's what I really want to talk about inside of this video really with you. Before we get into that for a second though, I really want to have a disclaimer for you guys. The reason why an SLO funnel works, and what an SLO funnel is called, it's called a self-liquidating offer. That's what it's called. An SLO funnel, the purpose of it is so that you can get high quality leads and so that you can get basically free leads, all right? That is the purpose of this funnel. Many times I've worked with some clients who have ran this type of funnel. I have, and the problem that a lot of people have coming into creating this funnel is a lot of people tend to think that they're going to make a ton of money off of a $27 product. That is not the case, all right? The way that you're going to make money off of an SLO funnel is to make sure that you are always upselling to the next product. And this is what I recommend even if you had a course, a higher ticket course. No matter what, you need to make sure that you are always upselling people. And that is why when I break down my numbers, that you're gonna see how I did it. And also you're gonna see a little sneak peek of one of my clients who are running the same type of ads to her funnel. So when I started this funnel and the ad strategy back in December of 2020, the way that I created it was I had 3 main products, okay? And actually I changed a few things throughout the process. So the first type of products that I had my $27 Facebook ads course. I had a $37 bump, which was called it still is, First High Paying Client Through Ads, and it's a little mini course for $37. And then I had a $97 course connected to it. After running the ads in December of 2020, I started to realize that I wanted to upsell people more, and so I changed the $97 course into a $197 intensive, basically. It's a paid call. And the reason why I wanted to do this was because if I get somebody who is paying for a call, I can possibly upsell them into my mastermind or into my ad agency, or I can upsell them somewhere when they get on a call with me because I'm pretty good at sales. So that's how I was able to start getting some more and more sales off of this funnel. But I want to talk specifically about December 2020. So after I created that funnel, what I did was I actually was searching on how other people are kind of doing the ad strategy for this type of funnel. And I actually came upon Julie Stowen, and she's amazing. I'll actually put the blog post that I used in order to create the ad strategy. And what she recommends is that within 3 days of running your SLO funnel, that you push $1,000. And the reason why you want to do this, and I love the way that she recommended this, is the reason why you want to do it is because you absolutely get to get all the stats within a short period of time. And I've actually started using this for a lot of my other client strategies, not just the SLO funnel, because if you think about it, I can get some really fast stats on all types of funnels if I push a whole bunch of money within a short period of time. And that way I can test the offer, I can test the funnel, I can test the emails, I can test the actual sales page, I'm testing all the different variations of copy and graphics, I'm testing all the things within a short period of time. So make sure you go to that blog post so you can check out what Julie Stone was talking about, because that was an amazing strategy of what happened in December of 2020. So I actually have my little written here. I'm actually gonna break it down even further on here for you. So the total in cash of what I've made in December of 2020 off of just this funnel and running the ads was $1,924, okay? On top of that, so after all of that, I ended up making sure that whenever somebody bought the 27 or whatever, I had upsells. So I had emails that I was promoting during that period of time, and even after that, I'm still promoting things to the same people. So over time, I've made back $4,682 in total value off of that one month. So, and then the ad spend, as you saw, was $1,393. So that means that I have a 236% ROI. Yay! Now let me show you really quick on what my current funnel looks like, and you can see what this kind of looks like so that you can use it for yourself and maybe you can create your own SLO funnel. All right, so I'm gonna show you what my funnel looks like, basically the pages, and what it looks like for the person to walk through, and so that you can get an idea of what your sales page can look like, because this part of the funnel is probably the most important, because like I said in the beginning, it's the first impression that people are going to get. So we want to make sure that what we showcase inside your sales page for the $27 product, that they know that it's super valuable. So the first thing that they understand is that the title of what this is, and who it's for, and basically how much it is and stuff like that. So, and then I have a mock-up of kind of basically everything that they're going to get access to if they purchase today. So I actually, if they want to buy right away, then they can just click this, but they can also read into it a little bit more. So I also ask a question like, what if ads weren't as difficult as you think they are? And then I'll scroll down just a little bit more. As you can see, I just have some more just like nurturing there, some more pain points, and then I talk about introducing them to the course, what they're going to learn inside of the program, and then what's going to be included so they get access to the course, the Facebook group, some swipe files on like ad copy. They also get a ebook on how to target ideal clients. They get a worksheet on how to go from organic to running ads. They also get my ad budget tool. It's a Google spreadsheet template. And then in each of them, I gave a value. And then I basically said the value of this is over 1,000. But for limited time out only, you get 27. Are you serious? Yes, I am. Grab it. And then I have a really good amount of testimonials. And then I have a quick little like about me section. And then I kind of just, reiterate the fact that like the world needs, what you're selling. So, let's do it. Let's figure this out. So then if you go to the button, it'll take you to my checkout page, which you'll see the $27 offer. And then I kind of just, did a small little thing of what they're going to get access to. And this is my bump. So they can actually, click this and it'll add the $37 product. So as you can see, that puts it up to $64. So, and then once it takes them to that, it'll take them to the next page. So as you can see, this is the next page, which is the upsell. So after they purchase, whether that's the 27 or even the bump, it's going to take them to this audit right here, where, they can, pay for an audit for just $197. And then that gets them on the phone with me. And that's pretty much it. So they can add to cart, and then that's it. And then I have some emails that kind of nurture the people who are end up purchasing. And, and then along the way, I can end up keep upselling these people that obviously inside that Facebook group. So I can continue to just sell people inside of that Facebook group. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the way that this funnel looks like. Now we actually ran this same type of funnel for my other client, and she actually made $6,348 in profit within a short period of time. So that was super amazing. And a little disclaimer here as well when it comes to this client that I was working with. She actually in the beginning was not seeing a lot of results that were coming in. We were kind of losing a little bit of money in the beginning. And what I told her, I said, let's get you one high paying client that we can get from this funnel that's running. So that's what I keep telling you guys, like you have to upsell. That's the purpose of this funnel. So you might even lose a little bit of money inside of the first part of the funnel, which is the 27, 37, 97. You might lose some money there, but you'll definitely get it back when you start upselling these people into the next level. So like I said, what the purpose of this funnel is and the purpose of these ads are is that you can get high quality leads and sometimes even free leads if you're breaking even. But even if you're not breaking even, it's okay if you're getting higher paying clients, because she got a 7K sale within that for a one-on-one package. As you can see here, here's her testimonial. So I gotta know, have you actually seen these ads before? Have you seen these type of funnels before? And if you like them, tell me in the comments below. Now let's talk about how you can start creating this for yourself. One big important thing that I want to talk about when it comes to this funnel is that this is their first impression of you. When people are coming from the ads into this funnel, this is their first impression of how you're going to give them value. So this is a perfect way for you to showcase how much value you bring to the table for your clients. So if you can possibly put together a $27 product, $37 product, $97 product that is so good in value that they go, wow, like I really need to work with her now. Like I really need to work with her because she was so good in that $27 offer. I even made money off of that $27 offer, or I even found love in that within that, or I was able to get dates, or I was able to, manifest, something small, like I was maybe able to manifest $100 or whatever it was. If you can bring so much value within a $27 offer, imagine how many people are gonna be like, wow, like I really need to work with her in her one-on-one, or I really need to work with her in that mastermind that she's selling, or that course that she's selling right now. Like I really need to do that. And this is another opportunity for you to be able to put more upsells into this type of funnel where you can have the 27, 37, 97, and then maybe you have emails that go to a membership, or emails that go to a $500 course. Maybe you have retarget ads that are pushing towards your course, or your one, or maybe a call or something like that, or maybe you have like a $197 intensive attached to it. So really just think about, how can I create this funnel to where I have a whole bunch of value connected to it so that I can upsell these people and they know that I'm really good at what I do and I can actually help them. And then also just, how can I upsell these people into the next level? So that's what you need to be thinking about when you are creating your own funnel. But go ahead and go back into this video if you want to check out how I created the sales page and how I created the checkout page, and you can kind of look at the type of funnel that you should probably be creating. Now that you have an idea on how to create your own $27 type of funnel, I invite you to go purchase my $27 Facebook ads course, where it'll actually teach you how to create profitable ads for only $27. So go ahead, it's in the link below. And if you're interested in working with my ad agency, I will also put the application down below as well. So that's it for today's video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can get videos for every Tuesday, and I will see you on the next video.